lollies. Hi buddies. I welcome you all for today's fun learning session. Before starting the session, let me tell you something. Let me put few questions to you. When do we celebrate Independence Day? 15th August is the answer that you are going to give me. Yes, I know. And when do we celebrate Republic Day? 26th January. When do we celebrate Children's Day? 14th November. When do we celebrate Teachers Day? 5th September. So, you all are in doubt, thinking why ma'am is putting questions related to general knowledge. No children, I don't have anything to do with GK, that is general knowledge. I was just reminding you, refreshing your knowledge about numbers. Yes children, the topic of the day is numbers. I am going to take you into the number world, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, now let's enter into the number world. Yes, here on the screen you have numbers. In our previous session, we have revised the numbers from 1 to 3, 0, 30. Yes children, today you are going to revise the numbers, that is from 31 to 50. Yes, lovely children. This is revision session. It's like a recapitulation session. We are just brushing up the knowledge of what you have learned in your earlier classes. Yes, let's revise. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Yes, I love 44 because it is double 4, 4, 4, 2 times. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Yes, I love 50. Half century. 50, 50. Yes, children. See, learning is fun. Learning is playing. Yes, let me take you into the world of playing with numbers. Here is a video for entertainment filled with learning. Yes, children, let's watch and have fun with the numbers. people have learnt all the numbers right from 1 to 50. Fantastic children, done a very good job, really deserves a fabulous comment. Good, 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 very good, so much good, so good. Yes children. See, now always I have the habit of giving you the mantra of learning. Yes, in order to make this session so lovely, I would like to give you a small mantra. Shall I give you? Are you people ready to receive it and practice it? Yes, dear ones. Do one thing. Chakka. Take a piece of paper. List out the names of all your family members. Write their date of their birthday, and decorate them with pulses, cereals, okay, and hung them on the wall. Seems to be so great. This is lovely way of enjoying with numbers. Did you love it? Did you love my mantra? Yes, chant this mantra. Do it and give surprise to your family members. Say that my math teacher taught this mantra. Going to do this? Yes, lovely ones. I know you'll be doing all the things pretty well. That is so lovely and fabulous thing from your side. Yes, children, let me tell you. See, all learning makes anyone boring. See, I don't make my children feel bored because I have so many surprises, so many activities, so many exercises that really makes learning fun, not boring. These sessions will never ever make feel boring. Yes children, let's learn activity. It's a fun corner time. Here I go. Yes children, fun corner. The activity from fun corner is making some art, making some craft work. Yes, let me tell you the material needed to make the craft work. The material needed is paper plate, scissors. Be very careful children. Use scissors with the help of your parents or family members. Yes, colors, sketches, crayons or anything you love. Yes, let me show you. Let me show the craft work. Hey, how nice, how great it is. Paper plate. Yes, paper plate. Lovely children. What is this? Did you guess? Did you guess what this craft work is of? Yes, this is all of making face mask. Lovely children, need of the day. We all need this mask now to keep ourselves safe from the threat of corona. Yes children, lovely. Let's make a face mask. For this we need paper plate. Yes, take any paper plate. Okay, make 2 holes. See, do this with the support and help of your parents or family members of the size of your eyes. Yes children. Now color it, wear it and have a lots of fun. Yes children, fantastic. Hope you'll be doing this. Wear this face mask and send us the snaps. Love you children, love you.